Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to open VBA or Visual Basic Editor inside of your Excel. So basically, sometimes you will need to edit something using code or etc. And maybe you're so good at coding, so you want to actually start coding your whole sheet just from coding. So without editing it from here, without writing anything from here, you want to go ahead and code everything by your own. So in order to do that, you need first to open the developer option. So how you can open this developer option, you just have to go to one of these words that you will find in here and click on it, right click. After that, go ahead and click on customize the ribbon, and then you'll find two columns. Ignore the first one, which is this one, and go to right this one. So customize ribbon and go all the way down. You'll find this developer unchecked, as you can see, so it will be something like that. Go ahead and check it like so, and from here, as you can see, you will find the developer option here. Now, as you can see, this will open a lot of options for you, like source code, expansion pack is XML, controls, run dialog, view code, properties, insert, so you can insert some form controls, like really cool ones. Also there is com adds in, excel adds in, add ins in general. You can here record macros, use relative preferences and macro security, macros in general, and here the most important thing, which is the visual basic. So basically what you're gonna do is select something, for example this 5, and then go to Visual Basic. Here we go to page sheets 1, I think, page 1, page 2, page 3, page 5, and you can start doing whatever you want to start creating. So I'm not good at with coding like in Visual Basic, but you get the idea. You can from here do whatever you'd like. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.